So with 5.3b, so there are some yesterday quizzes in the mix. If you're grading a yesterday quiz, we're picking up here on number 8. And then it's a nice match here for a while. But we're 1860s, we're Meyer, and we're Mendeleev. Mendeleev is better, left gaps is half a point, predicted new elements is the other half a point. Atomic number, periodic law, the question about rows, it's 7 periods and energy levels. Then the columns is 18, which is groups and similar chemical properties. And then let's hesitate a moment. Anybody with anything there to talk about?
You said one?
Today's number 1 was 1860s. 5 groups, alkali metals. If you're grading yesterday's, 1 bonus point if they have all of what I say, which is a Roman numeral 1 with an A and a standard number 1. Today we didn't put the bonus stuff on. Second one, we had alkaline earth metals, which is a Roman numeral 2 with an A and a regular number 2. There's chalcogens, Chalcogens. Bonus yesterday was Roman numeral 6A, which is a 16. Halogens, Halogens, that's a Roman numeral 7A with a 17. And then noble, Noble gases, that's a Roman numeral 8A with an 18. The 2 series is lanthanide, Lanthanide, and actinide, Actinide. Lanthanide, yesterday, bonus point on lanthanide was rare earth elements. Then the A group is representative, the B group is transition, the short periods are 2 and 3, the long periods are 4, 5, 6, 7, and then let's pause.
So none of the bonus from yesterday?
None of the bonus was back then. Anybody through there? Okay, then we're at the bottom of today's or the top of yesterday's. So 25 is on today's is lower left. If you're grading yesterday's, number 1 is the left part of that, number 5 is the lower part of that. Metalloids is on both quizzes. They touch the stair-step line, but not aluminum. Aluminum touches the line, but is a metal, not a metalloid. So we need to mention, yesterday I let that slide, but today not mentioning aluminum will lose you a half.
No, I'm right.
Both yesterday and today have the answer valence electrons next. Both possibly have the answer electron configurations next. Other than electron configurations, you could say chemical properties. And then if you're grading yesterday's, you only need to look for 2 facts about chlorine, filling numbers 6 and 7. If you're grading today's, number 29 is the first one or the top one. And then 30 is a gradual change. Anybody need any help to score? Yep.
Is it okay if they just put chemical properties, not similar chemical properties for 11 through 13?
Yeah, because the question said similar on its own, so yeah, we're oh, wait, up to 11, 13? Yeah, I'm okay up there too. Anybody else a scoring kind of question? Homework that's due today was all of that vocab from 1, all of the vocab from 2, 3 to 16, a chapter quiz. Before we recorded, we got 1 stray question while we were killing time, had to do with number 16. Pico means 10 to the negative 12th. So the conversion on pico is that 1 picometer is 10 to the negative 12th meters, and that helps you do the conversion for 16. Did anybody know that we're all on the same place and time? Did anybody else have something from the homework that you need? We did some hints in advance yesterday on the video, but does anybody need a re-hint after the fact on how to do any of this stuff? Okay, so tomorrow there's not a quiz. Tomorrow the practice test is due. Then on Thursday we would take the test. It's just pretty much like that. Mostly new stuff, but I think Lavoisier and the elements and some of that stuff are back. The problems are pretty much a match to what we would have done today if you did that yet. The next read is into Friday is 6, 1, and 2. So 6, 1, and 2 is a 10-point quiz. Looks like there's 7 pretty obvious words in the margins. I don't know what accounts for the other 3, but 10-point quiz Friday into 6, 1 and 6, 2. That's a wrap.